Once you have been done with the product page, next we will go to build a contact us page. In page, select contact us. Okay, contact us page has been selected, and we'll delete this section. We don't want this header. We'll delete, and we'll insert a text box. Insert a text box where we will give a contact details, address with the working hour, like this. Okay, working hour you can say 10 o'clock to 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. then comma Sunday holiday. Like this we can give the address. Okay, we can make this address as a heading. Okay, and we can reduce the size here like this, right? We can reduce the size like this. Okay, once you have been given an address, and a contact number, email, and working hours, next it will be like a inserting a map. Now we'll insert a map. Okay, how to insert a map? Again, in insert, scroll down, you have a map option here. Map option, select that map option and locate where your company will be. Okay, control scroll. Okay, you can locate your company where exactly it is. Okay, you can say that particular location you can select. Okay, drop a place mark here, drop a place mark, and you say that particular place. Then you can click and drag where exactly your location is. Okay, where exactly your location is, then you can say select. That location will be located. Okay, this location will be located. Anyone visiting to your website, and if they are searching, okay, for this particular, in this particular tab, they can go to a location directly. Okay, by using this particular thing. Then comes to a contact form, right? Enquiry form. How to add an enquiry form? We already informed. First we have to create one contact form by using a forms. By using a Google Forms, you can create contact forms. We already learned that one. We already done. So what we will do, we'll go to here forms. Okay, here last but one option is that forms. We'll insert which form to be inserted. We have to select that one. This is the form we like to insert. Contact us, insert. Okay, here you can see contact form has been inserted. Okay, now you can see now how it will be look. For example, contact form, will take it to a center. Okay, so that it will look better. Similarly, we can insert a documents you have. Okay, you have to select docs, and we have to select which document to be uploaded. Like that we can update a documents, as well as the Google Sheets also you can insert. Slides also you can insert. Based on your requirement, you can also insert a document, slides, sheets, as well as the charts. But majorly we will not be inserting these things. Only forms, maps, YouTube, placeholder, these all things we have been discussed. Okay, this is about how can we create a one simple website for a free of cost within an hour. Right, within an hour we have been created. We'll go to a preview now. Okay, final preview. We have been done with all the pages. Now we'll go to a final preview here. Preview, click on that preview. Now we'll start with the home page. You can see home page. Correct, it is. Right, this is in a computer. For example, if I say in a mobile how it will look, this is the way how in mobile it will be. Then in a tablet it will look like this. In mobile, here it will be buttons. You can see about us. In mobile how it will be like this. Okay, then it comes to a product. We can select here itself product. We can click on that button to check about a product. Okay, contact us. You can see here contact information. Here map. Here it has been inserted a one contact form also. Similarly here in tablet how it will be look, and in your computer how it will be look. The look in your computer also we have been done. Okay, this is about a preview. To go out of the preview you have to click on this exit preview button. For preview we have to select this one for a preview. Okay, this is about how we have been constructed a simple website within an hour by using a Google site. Much more settings are there, and footer we can also insert. That will be learned in a next video.